Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online using this new Google trick. It has multiple payment methods. It is free and available in all countries. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So stay tuned and never miss the important parts of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. So, how can you profit from Google? Is such a thing even possible? So in this video, I'll show you a never-before-seen strategy for making money online simply by searching Google from anywhere on the planet. And the reason I'm telling you this is because I know you use Google frequently, but you're probably ignorant of a feature that can help you earn money repeatedly. Now take a look at this. On the left is Google, and on the right is PayPal. So how can you use Google to generate PayPal money? The first thing you should do is search your Google tools on Google, but do not click on this link. If you click on the third link, browse all of Google's products and services, you will be directed to google.com, which is Google's main website. By clicking on Browse All Items, you can see all of the Google's products. So Google was the one who came up with all of this. Here you'll find Google Forms, Google Finance, Google Alerts, Google Chat Classroom, Gmail, and much more. However, if you click on sites right now, you'll be directed to sites.google.com. This one function can generate your money on a semi-automated basis over and over, and you'll learn how to use it and set it up. Because this strategy is completely new and fascinating, we've never mentioned it before. You don't need any technical skills, nor do you need to develop one yourself, nor do you need to own a domain to start a website. You don't even have to spend any money on this. It's all completely free and it's designed specifically for beginners. So go to sites.google.com and click the plus icon. To open a new document with a blank web page, click on the blank button. You can start making your own website right now, and it's really simple to do so. All you have to do is drag and drop, and it'll be easy. I'll really walk you through the process step by step, but first, I'll show you how it works so you can just double-click the text. You can type whatever you want, alter the fonts, colors, sizes, make it bold, italic, whatever you want. You can personalize everything. You can even add photographs if you want, and you can easily post it. But before you do that, I'd like to provide you with some information. You will not be compensated by Google. Instead, you will be compensated by this page. This is the platform that will actually pay you. And you can see that all of these guys, all of these people from all over the world are getting paid with this platform. But they're not combining it with Google like you will. So they are only able to make a few dollars here and there. Which isn't particularly impressive, is it? Here you can see a list of all of your payments. These are all instant payments to PayPal, Payer, WebMoney, RTM, and UPI, among other services. Even Perfect Money is accepted. So you can choose whichever payment method you like on this platform. However, instead of signing up for all of those platforms and transferring your money to them, the platform will pay you directly to PayPal account or any other payment method you prefer today. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Step 2 will require you to find viral videos on YouTube or any other type of video that is gaining a lot of attention and is of interest to a huge number of people. But you must ensure that the video actually solves a problem. So it's more than just a funny cat video. It's something that actually helps people solve a problem, and it's something that a lot of people are interested in. How to achieve six-pack abs, for example, is a hot topic. Many people all over the world want six-pack abs, and videos on how to get them have millions of views. This one in particular had 81 million views, which is absurd. You won't need any six-pack abs or any filming equipment to do this, so don't be concerned. This isn't about YouTube. All I want is for you to be able to find videos that are essentially tutorials of topics that many people are interested in. As an example, this video titled "Get a Six-Pack Abs in 22 Days with a Home App Workout" had gained 14 million views and has the potential to get a lot more because, as you can see, the previous video was viewed by over 80 million people, which is great. As a result, millions upon millions of people would view this type of video. So right-click on the video that has a lot of views and is solving a problem, in this case, how to attain six-pack abs, and copy the URL link. Then go to youtube-thumbnail-grabber.com. Once again, that is youtube-thumbnail.com. This allows you to download any type of YouTube thumbnail for free and in under a minute. All you have to do now is paste the YouTube URL in this box, thus the URL that we just copied. Paste it here, click Obtain Thumbnail Photographs, and download a HD thumbnail. Simply click this button on the first one that shows, and it will be immediately downloaded to your computer. It's really simple, and that's all there is to it at this point. Just paste the link and download a thumbnail. Simply go to sites.google.com and start customizing your page. Please bear with me for the next 2 minutes as this will only take 2 minutes. All that's left to do now is create a call to action that you may customize to your taste. You can use whichever font, colors, and other elements you choose. I'll just use a six-pack in 22 days as an example, and I'll alter the typeface because I don't like it. We'll just use something else, perhaps this one, because it's truly awful. This one is superior, so use it to obtain a six-pack ab in just 22 days. I'll also change the background to demonstrate how simple it is. All you have to do now is click on Change Picture and select the image you want to use. If you don't want to pose it yourself, use the search area to look for something connected to six-pack. As a result, I'm considering using some of these images, maybe this one, because it's really wonderful and it's really good. It's really good, but let's go with this one. I'll simply choose it with a click, and it'll recognize that we'll have a six-pack in 22 days. Aside from that, a call to action is required below. This is similar to a page header, but if you click on text box, it will add a text box with a call to action that states, "Get six-pack abs in 22 days." We'll now select this text and align it to the middle. I'm going to magnify this because it's the title, which could be anything. I'll probably make it bold and change the font. This one doesn't appeal to me. Perhaps if it weren't so bold, but I'm not a fan of the typeface. You can simply try out other phones. As you can see, it's fairly straightforward. You must also include the thumbnail image shown below. So right now, go to Images and upload the image you downloaded earlier. It'll be for this image, so simply double-click it. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger and center it like this. Apart from that, the final thing you'll need to do is make a genuine button. Don't worry, it's nothing more than that. As you can see, it's incredibly simple and takes less than 2 minutes to finish. Last but not the least, you must add a physical button. So right here, push the button and type in your name. I'll type in "Learn Here for free" for example, so they know they won't have to pay anything, and I'll show you which site will work. I'll just type something random like youtube.com into the address bar. Don't worry, I'll just insert it. I'll make the button a bit bigger and set it in the center right here. This is excellent. It's finished. Of course, you may play about the different designs. This isn't the most elegant design, but it will suffice. Now, you must go to shrinkme.io, a premium link shortening service, to find the app that will truly pay you. You can literally sign up for free, shorten your URL, and get paid every time someone clicks on it. So, as we've discussed multiple times on this channel, there's no need for people to buy anything or sign up for anything. All they have to do is click on the link you've shortened through our website, and you'll get paid every time they do. You can see the payout rates right here. You'll be able to see how much money you'll make per click, and they offer a very low minimum payout. They'll pay you as soon as you have $5 in your account, and you can get paid instantaneously using PayPal. They have the best rates in the market, as well as a really attractive website. If you want to be confident that this works, look at the payment proof right here, where you can see all of the people who are making money in real time, as well as of the payment proofs listed below. All of these folks have been paid with shrinkme.io, as you can see. Anyway, you'll need to create an account on this platform, which you can do by clicking the register icon right here. Create a username and theoretical email address, and then create a password, read it aloud, fill out the CAPTCHA, read the terms of service and privacy policy, and if you agree, click the box and click register now. Simply return to sites.google.com, click on the button right here to edit the actual text that goes into the link. Paste that shortened link and hit update now after you've shortened the link with shrinkme.io. You can publish your website so that anyone who clicks on your link will be directed to it. Let's give it a name. Let's call it Six-Pack 22 Days, for example. Let's see if that's available. It is, so I'll post it. And it is currently publishing, and I have successfully published my website. As you can see, it was quite simple and straightforward. When someone visits the website, this is how it appears. Now that I've shared this website with others, they can come here. They'll see this call to action, this image, and they'll be able to click on this button, which I can make even bigger. But they'll be able to see click on this wonderful button, and they'll be routed to the actual video. However, if you merely space your shrinkme.io link in quarters or on Facebook or Instagram, you'll get the ban right away. So that won't work. You have a Google website and you're bringing visitors to this page first, so they can click on the actual link after that. So I hope that makes sense, because you would otherwise be prohibited. But because you have a Google website, you will not be blacklisted, and this will work. For example, if you type how to obtain a six-pack into the search box, you'll see a lot of individuals asking the same question. How can I achieve six-pack abs as rapidly as possible? You may now begin responding to these individuals and inform them that they can see your video for free on your website. You won't sell them anything because someone else is probably trying to sell them something, whether it's a product or something else. But you won't sell them anything because they can watch the movie for free by clicking on your link. They can obtain something useful for free. They'll appreciate it, and you'll appreciate it because you'll be earning money each click on the back end. So you're not attempting to persuade them to buy something or sign up for something. You still profit since shrinkme.io distributes the ad revenue with you, even though they don't have to spend any money. If this sounds complex, you may watch some of my previous videos on the subject, in which I explain how websites like shrinkme.io work and how they make money. Every time someone clicks on the shortened link, they're essentially sharing ad money. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online using this Google trick. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you on the next one.